Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with Apple Pay. So if you use Apple Pay for the purchase, then simply what you can do, add your Apple Pay as your preferred payment method on App Store. To do that, open up your App Store, go to your profile, hit on your profile option here, and then open up your profile, your Apple ID. And then what we're going to do, we're going to set up a payment option here. So that's your option. So go to your account settings here, click on manage payment, and then once this payment options loads, so what you're going to do under payment method, you're going to select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. Please note that this option is only available if your region supports Apple Pay, because it's certain countries or certain regions Apple Pay only supports, will be available only on certain countries. So mine, I don't have Apple Pay on my region, so I don't have that option here. But if you on your region, if it supports, you can simply hit on add payment method and then select Apple Pay as your payment method. So Apple Pay would be added as your preferred payment method through your App Store. So now you can simply go to Roblox and then just go to purchase, like open up your Roblox option here and then select any amount that you wish to purchase, select that, and then you can just purchase this through your App Store. So hit on purchase, and then through your App Store you can make this purchase, and this will prompt you to use your Apple Pay. So that's, as you have already linked it, so that's how you can use Apple Pay on Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.